Independent Norwex sales consultant here, and I am bringing to you today the chicken demo. I want to show you how you can clean your home using just water, no chemicals, and the featured product today is our EnviroCloth. What I've done is just got regular tap water and made it moist, wet, damp. It doesn't have to be soaking wet. Just some water to activate the backlock properties in our cloth. The other thing that I have is the scary piece of raw chicken. I know before I had Norwex in my life, I was always scared to use raw chicken because I was convinced I wasn't cleaning the surface correctly or enough so my family wouldn't get sick. Now that I know the chemicals I was using and how I should have been leaving the surface wet for so long, I wasn't cleaning correctly. But now I am with Norwex. So what I'm gonna do is take my raw chicken and get all the gooey, disgusting bacteria onto my surface. Get it on there really good. And now I am going to take my test swab, if you can see here, the ProClean test swab, and I'm going to swab it on my surface where I just put the chicken to show you that I definitely have some gross stuff here on my surface. Now these swabs are frequently used by restaurant inspectors to test kitchen equipment. And what I'm going to do is activate it here and let it sit, and it's going to change from green to purple to show you that it has bacteria and protein on the surface. If you see here, let's see, can you see? It's starting to turn purple. It looks kind of clear on the video. But I'm going to let this sit and it's going to turn. So we'll set that aside here. Now I'm going to take my EnviroCloth that's just got water on it and wipe up my surface. I like to fold it in 4s so I get 8 clean surfaces to clean with before I need to hang it up. Oh, here's purple. Let's see, you see that? There it is. So it's definitely dirty. Now I'm going to take another clean swab and I'm going to wipe my surface after I use my EnviroCloth. I'm going to really get it on there so you know I'm trying to test for nasty stuff. And this is going to stay green. And I'm going to let it wait a few seconds so you know I'm not yanking your chain. So far, so good. So what makes our microfiber different than what you might find in retail stores is, first of all, the weave. It's 1/200th of a human hair, which your normal average microfiber cloth is 1/20th of a human hair. The other thing that makes our EnviroCloth different is the silver that's wound into the cloth. This helps it sanitize itself. It's a self-cleaning cloth, so you can use it a long time before you need to wash it. And you know that it's gonna leave your surface clean. Because of that 1/200th of a human hair weave, the lifting power is astounding. Now, I'm gonna show you again which one's dirty, which one's clean. Dirty, clean. So you have a peace of mind cleaning up for your family, friends, pets, without using chemicals. If you're interested in seeing more or you want to contact me and join my team, order products, or book a party, I love to party on Facebook, contact me at amberutley1@msn.com, and you can find my website information at the end of the video. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a great day.